Andy Gustafson. I'm from Creighton University in Omaha. I teach in the College of Business. I've been here for 21 years, mostly focused on business ethics, but I'm also an EOC entrepreneur, and I'll talk more about that in our breakout session. Go to the next slide, please. So our presentation provides a clear example of entrepreneurship being leveraged for the common good, especially for the poor, by highlighting some best practices of EOC entrepreneurs' activities. Also share some free teaching resources available through our EOC project website. The EOC sees business as a transformative force for unity, liberation, and justice worldwide. And EOC entrepreneurs see every single individual as a brother and sister worthy of dignity and respect. We see business as a means of unity, of giving, and of mercy rather than being selfish. And I really appreciated what Lori had to say about theory of moral sentiments from Adam Smith. That's really important, this 250th year anniversary of Wealth of Nations, that we remember the earlier and I think better, more important book about how we should treat each other in business. So the EOC seeks specifically to redistribute wealth by encouraging entrepreneurs and everyone in society to live a life of giving and gift rather than accumulation and consumerism. One need not be an entrepreneur to live an EOC lifestyle, but entrepreneurs have a special privileged opportunity to share with others, not simply with charity, but bringing others into communion through business practices. And I think that's an important part of this is we're not just solving financial poverty, but poverty of community, poverty of purpose, poverty of work. All of those things are poverties that we can address through business practices and intentionally leveraging whatever position we have in life to help those that are in need. The EOC was established in Brazil originally by Brazilians in 1991 and then also in Italy, then spread throughout the world. It's in 140 countries worldwide today. It was a movement established in 91 by Kira Lubik, the leader of the Focolare movement, which has over 140,000 adherents and 4 million sympathizers worldwide. There and Focolare entrepreneurs in Sao Paulo, Brazil, to help the poor by establishing viable companies whose aim would be to provide sustainable employment to the poor and so provide dignity and sustainable model rooted in an economy of giving rather than an economy of consuming and acquisition. There are over 800 companies worldwide today. The EOC approach to business is not just for entrepreneurs, it's a lifestyle giving which always seeks to share with others rather than to accumulate wealth for oneself. It assumes free-market economy that EOC entrepreneurs use their wealth and capital to seek benefit for the common good and especially the poor. They find meaning and value in sharing with others and caring for other human beings through business. On an EOC approach, profit is necessary, but not the main point of business. People are. And I really did also appreciate Simi's keynote earlier because I'm an entrepreneur, an EOC entrepreneur responsible for 95 toilets in the Midtown area, and I've employed quite a few semi-homeless alcoholics to help me do a lot of the work through the last 20 years. But I also teach in the classroom, so I try to have a foot in both worlds, and that's helped a lot, just to help students be inspired. I think a lot of our students are they're scared of being in the corporate world because they're afraid they're going to lose their souls. So it's really important for us to help students figure out how can you use business in a way that can be life-giving to themselves and life-giving to others. And that's the message I try to share in my class as often as I can. Thank you.